Today I'm gonna show you how to do affordable herbal facial at home, and the product I'm using is Gold Radiance Facial Kit from Biotique, and this kit is only for 235 rupees. You can use this twice as here it is mentioned, but actually you can use it 3 to 4 times as it contains good amount of product. If you check the back cover, you can see the step to use it, and yes, it is 100% Ayurvedic and it is preservative free, dermatologist tested and no animal testing. Now let me open the box to show you the product. These are the 5 bottles and they are of 15 gram each. First one is the face scrub, second is massage gel, third is peel off mask, fourth is dark spot corrector, and the fifth one is a face cream. My mom is helping me to do the facial and she started by scrubbing my face. And now with help of some water, she is gently massaging my whole face. After scrubbing your face, you have to wash your face with normal water, followed up with massaging your face with massaging gel. Here I have zoomed the video a little bit so that you can see how to do the massaging in detail. Third is the peel off mask, and for this you have to cover your whole face with the product by using your bare finger or any brush or spatula. Step 4 is to use a dark spot corrector. Now my mom is generously using it as she thinks I have good number of dark spot on my face. She started from the bottom, that is from my chin, and gradually dragging the product to my whole face. If you don't have much dark spot, you can apply by dotting the product on your affected area. After applying it, leave it for few minutes, and without washing it, you have to do the last step. The final procedure is to use the face cream, which you can apply like other normal cream on your whole face. And last but not the least, a key point to remember, as it is not a facial product, you have to do this facial at least 3 times to get a visible result on your face. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. Also share my videos among your friends. Do check my Instagram and Facebook account. And if you are new to this channel, then definitely subscribe it first. See you on my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.